So the starters for both Kaiju and Yokohama are now in the game. About to jump it up. So jump ball between Payong and ay, hindi ko nakita kasi nag-jump ball. Pero Yokohama controls the possession. Kaya naman tayo, pahirapan na naman tayo sa mga jersey numbers nila. Wala. Rebound na number 74. That's Genova. Uy, fast break basket for Lutakia. No good. So Yokohama with the possession. It's Castillo, number 17. Castillo pulls up for 3. Wala. Rebound, Jetro Tomas for Kaiju. Tomas to Corpus. Corpus jumper, sorry, a floater. Wala. Rebound for Yokohama. Yokohama jumper in the lane, number 7, wala. Rebound, wala pa rin. Rebound, Rotakio. Here's Kaiju. Kaiju running. Rotakio all the way, no good. Babalik sa bola ang Yokohama. Uy, layup, wala. Rebound, Corpus. Corpus, uy, someone's down there. Rotakio with the easy 2 points. So, first blood for Kaiju, 2-0. Castillo looks for a teammate. Oy! Bad pass turnover. Here come Kaiju. Oh, stolen back by number 11. Ramos. And the foul.
Foul number 0 is Ice.
Two shots here. Yokohama to the line. The 2 free throws. Their shot is good. So 2-1. Second free throw is good as well. So 2 for 2. That is, I think, number 11, Jason Ramos. So we're tied at 2 here. 8 minutes left in the first quarter. Payong. Payong down low. What? Payong nilabas. Corpus. Corpus down low, and he someone pushed him from behind. So the foul is on Derek Edep. Rotakio for 3. No. Rebound, Payong. Sorry. That's Genova.
5 seconds to shoot.
Payong. No good. Rebound pa rin ni Payong. Nilabas. Uy, basket's good for Jetro Tomas. So 4-2. Kaiju with a 2-point lead. Three-pointer, wala. Uy, blocked there by Halandoni. And the rebound by Gomez Deliano. Uy, di nakatingin yung pasa. Turnover. Magsino. Uy, pass is broken up. Here's Gomez Deliano to Gat Bonton. GDL underneath. Looking for the pass pero telegraph there. So same ball. Oh, last touch daw by Gomez Deliano. So it's 3 minutes and 40 left in the first quarter. Toy Tomres, it's good. And we're tied at 11. Oh, it's a long 2. Long 2 lang daw yun, sabi ni ref. So it's 11-10. 1 point lead for Kaiju. Halandoni for 3. No good. Rebound. And a foul. Ang tinawag, number 11.
His first.
That's Jason Ramos with the foul. Dito, ano ba? Balik bola daw, sabi ni ref. So, yeah, balik bola, sabi ni ref, lumambot daw yung bola. Here's Ron J. De La Cruz to, ano foul ang tinawag on the shot by Francis Rotacio.
Foul number 1. His first.
Foul is on Victor Tan. So I think that's gonna be 3 free throws for Rotacio. First free throw off the glass. Second free throw, wala. Oh, two free throws lang pala yun. I thought it was a 3-pointer, so oh. 2 minutes and 40 left. 12-10 sa score. Uy, blocked by Gus Deliano. Kay Jair Alandoni. Alandoni, forward pass. Uy, mataas yung pasa kay Gat Bonton. Turnover. Three points, wala. Rebound Gomez Deliano. Halandon, he misses the 3. Here's Yokohama with the rebound. One minute and 47 left in the first quarter. Ramos. Oh, he fouled from behind. That's on Ron J. De La Cruz.
His first.
Patay sa baba. So the score is 12 all. 1 minute and 43 seconds left in our first quarter. Gomez Deliano for 3. Wala. Rebound. By Yokohama. Uy, stolen by Halandoni. Almost babalik ang bola sa Yokohama. So, Yokohama to inbounds. Game is tied at 12. Uy, wala. Halandoni with the rebound. Halandoni, 2-on-1. Halandoni all the way. Gets it to go. Not Halandoni. Gives Kaiju the lead, 14-12. One minute left in our first quarter. De Leon to bad pass. Gat Bonton with the steal. Gat Bonton forward pass to Halandoni. Halandoni is 1-on-3. He'll wait for teammates. Or will he? Halandoni nilabas. Lifting the ball daw. Bedroom ruling violation. Bola mapupunta sa Yokohama. 39.3 seconds left in the quarter. Just a 2-point lead here for Kaiju. So looks like, so far, looks like this is going to be a close game. Unlike the first 2 games earlier today. 3-pointer, no good. Gomez Deliano to Gat Bonton. Gat Bonton and gets it to go. 16-12, 17 seconds left in the quarter. Tan inbounds to Ramos. Jumper, wala. Rebound, Halandoni. Halandoni from 3-quarters court, wala. And the ball is gone. And that will end our first quarter.
End of the first
Score natin,
quarter.
16-12. Lamang ang Kaiju. Okay, so we're starting the second quarter na, no? Edep loses the ball. Jumper short.
Chance is to
Yokohama
shoot.
pa rin ng bola. They shoot 2 points. 16-14. So down to a 2-point lead for Kaiju. Uy, hindi natingin turnover Michael Genova. So Yokohama will try to tie this game or maybe take the lead with a 3-pointer. Ayun, Tomres, pasok. Castillo hits the 3-pointer and Yokohama takes the lead 17-16. Corpus to Ulan. Ulan for 3. Pasok. Ronald Ulan gives the lead back to Kaiju. Oy, bad pass turnover. Score mali ah. Mali score. Corpus. Castillo with the ball. Castillo underneath to Edep. Back to Castillo. Uy. Oh.
Same ball.
No foul called pero we got a break there.
Clock is set to
Last
14
touch
seconds.
from Kaiju. 14 to shoot for Yokohama. Uy, underneath sa ilalim. Wala. Castillo corner 3, short. Rebound Genova. To Ulan. Ulan. Oh, good. Here's Edep to Castillo. Castillo. Uy, behind the back pass. Jumper short. Rebound Payong. Payong forward pass. Uy, bad pass. Stolen by Edep. Edep all the way. Basket for Jurek Edep. And we're tied at 19. Five and 46 left in the second quarter. Ulan to tres. Wala. Yokohama gets the board. It's Castillo. Castillo to, uy, munting na din natin. Uy, reverse, uy. Napakalalim nun. Uy, but taken back by Castillo. Castillo all the way. Basket's good. Bonel Castillo and 21-19. Lamang na ulit ang Yokohama. Corpus. Uy. I don't know what that shot was, pero Yokohama has the rebound. 5 and 10 left. Here's Edep. Edep, wala. Rebound, Ulan. Ulan to Corpus. Corpus runner, no good. Rebound. Hoy, all the way, wala. Bantok misses that shot. Purpose, no good. Rebound Castillo. Castillo for 3, short. Rebound, wala. Rebound, Bontok, wala. Genova to Tomas. Short. Still no dead ball. Di makapasok yung subs. 4 minutes and 17 left. Still 21-19 lead. And yun, pumawal na si Olan just to get the subs in.
Timeout.
But the timeout is called by Yokohama.
Change five na po tayo ha. Balik ng timeout.
So timeout called by Yokohama. They are up 21-19. It's been a very dry spell for both teams.
Number 16 ng Kaiju. Number 16 ng Kaiju. Sub ka muna. Number 16 ng Kaiju. Sub ka muna.
Diyan ba sila? So back to the ball game. Yokohama is up by 2 points. Jumper wala, rebound Alandoni. Alandoni to Gatbonton. Gatbonton, uy, drop pass to De La Cruz. Ron J. De La Cruz gets the basket to go. We're tied at 21.
Official score 21 all.
3 minutes and 43 left.
Kaiju ball.
So Kaiju gets back possession. Alandoni, basket's good. Not Alandoni with a face-up jumper. 21-23, Kaiju back with the lead. Here's Darwan. Darwan to sabi na siya kay Darwan. 8 seconds to shoot for Yokohama. Darwan gets it to go. Sa Joey Darwan. Tied again at 23. 2 minutes and 48 left in the second quarter. Rutakio all the way. Francis Rutakio. And where Kaiju gets the lead back. 25-23. And a basket. Alandoni. Oy, nabitawan ng bola. Here comes Yokohama. Yokohama. Oy, turnover. At hindi, bola pa rin ng Yokohama. Ramos to inbound. Oy, nabitawan yung bola. And that's a turnover.
Kaiju ball.
Ball back to Kaiju. 1 minute and 40 seconds left in the second quarter. We're tied at 25. There's GDL. GDL and one.
Basket's good.
Andy.
Ball
GDL.
number 1. Second.
Foul is on Victor Tan.
Wala po tayong sub. Third quarter na po.
So Andy GDL with a 3-point play opportunity. Short. Rebound ng Yokohama. So Kaiju still protecting a 2-point lead here. 27-25. Ramos. Ramos being guarded by Tan. Tan with the ball to Darwan. Darwan with a jumper short. Rebound Gatbonton. Gatbonton to Alandoni. Alandoni 2-on-1. Alandoni stretches for the layup. 29-25. 1 minute left in the second quarter. Tan. Drop pass. Up. Almost. Joey. Nilabas kay Ramos. Wala. Outside to Darwan with the jumper. Short. Rebound Alandoni. Alandoni forward pass to Rotakio. Easy lay-in. Dumulas pa pero maganda yung pektos. Pumasok yung bola. 31-25. 27 seconds. Ramos. Darwan. Back to... turnover. 13.5 left. So 10 seconds left in the quarter. Got Bonton Tetres. No good. Rebound Yokohama. Let's see if they can get a basket here. Ramos, nabitawan. Alandoni. That is not gonna count. So the end of the first half. Kaiju enters the half leading by 6, 31-25. Ano?
Traveling.
Okay, we're back to the ball game. That's a basket from Gatbonton. It's a 9-point lead now for Kaiju. 35-26. 8:39 left in the third quarter. Same ball pa din. Pass is stolen. Alandoni will go all the way. 37-26 is now a double-digit lead for Kaiju.
11-point lead para sa Kaiju.
Sa ilalim, 2 points there for Yokohama. 37-28. Alandoni, wala. Rebound, forward pass to Castillo. Castillo lays it in. 37-30. Nabasa 7 ang lamang ng Kaiju. That Bonton to Corpus. Down low to Alandoni. Alandoni with 10 to shoot. Payong for 3. Wala. And Yokohama will control the rebound.
Traveling.
'Okay, we're back again. Sorry for the technical issues. Hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na to, no? Hopefully, hindi tayo maputol. Score is 39-30. 5 minutes 59 left in the third quarter. Kaiju now up by 9 points. Alandoni. Spin move. Uy! Ay, sayang. Kapos. Rebounds. Nakuha ngayon ng Yokohama. Here's Magsino. Magsino. Looking for a teammate down low. Ayun. Underneath to, boy, malakas yung pasa, yung tira. Yokohama. Four minutes left in the third. 9 points ang lamang ng Kaiju. Magsino. Magsino against Tomas. And the foul on Tomas.
Foul on number 1 is first.
Ako na yung Bluetooth. Ako na orderin. Alandoni all the way. So 43-33. 3 minutes left in the third quarter. We are back sa ating live. Tomas to the steal. To De La Paz, back to Alandoni, to Tomas, wala. Alandoni gets the offensive rebound. Alandoni stretches for the easy 2 points. 45-33. De Leon to Magsino. No good. Oh, yeah, offensive rebound there. Wala. Here's Genova to Alandoni. 2 points. So sa 14-point lead now for Kaiju. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Ramos to, back to Ramos. Down to the jumper. Pasok. 47-35. Tomas. Uy, wala. Ramos. Here's Magsino, back to Ramos. 15 to shoot, 1 minute and 10 left in our third quarter. Edep. Uy, blocked by GDL. 7 seconds to shoot. Uy, Tomres, short. So here's the rebound to Kaiju. Alandoni to, uy, last touch, wala pa rin ng Kaiju. 18 to shoot. We have 52.7 seconds left in the fourth quarter. In the third quarter. Third quarter pa lang tayo. 12 points ang lamang ng Kaiju. Gomez Deliano for 3 pala. Forward pass. Here's Magsino. Magsino to Edep. Back to Magsino. 10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot.
Magsino will shoot a 3. Wala. All board. Rebound. Oy, bad pass. Here's Genova short. Rebound Magsino.
Okay lang!
Here's Ramos. You have 10 seconds left in the quarter. Edep, oy, nabitawan. Magsino, jumper, short. Not short. It's actually long. And that is the end of our third quarter. Kaiju with a 12-point lead, 47-35. Okay, back to the fourth quarter. As we start the fourth quarter, 12 ang lamang ng Kaiju. 47-35. Corpus, 3-pointer, wala. Rebound Castillo. Ang Yokohama. Shot clock violation. So wala pa rin change sa ating score, no? 47-35 pa rin ang ating score here in the fourth quarter. Alandoni fall away. Oh, he hits the board. Rebound Yokohama is Ramos. Ramos to Galios. Darwin Galios. Here's a Darwan. Oy, Darwan almost to the hit. Galios with the jumper. Wala. Rebound Catbonton pushing it to Corpus. Corpus with a easy layup. 49-35. 14-point lead na for Kaiju. Oy, bad pass turnover. And timeout called by Yokohama. Before this game gets away from them, I need to talk things through. It's a 14-point deficit. 6 and 48 left in the fourth quarter.
Isa na lang sa Yokohama.
Okay, back to the ball game. 49-35. 6 and 40 left in the ball game. Kaiju in control here. Rotakio to Corpus. Halandoni asking for the ball. Halandoni gets it. Halandoni down low. Ay, wala. Rebound, scramble. Nakuha ng Yokohama. Here's Castillo. Castillo forward pass. Oh, nilabas muna. Castillo for 3, short. Rebound, Rotakio. Rotakio, all the way. Wala. Rebound. Last touch ng Kaiju yun, I think. Yeah, it's last touch by Kaiju. So, Yokohama will get possession. $14 points ang kailangan parihabulin ng Yokohama. 49-35, 5:35 left in the ball game. Ramos, 3-pointer, wala. Rebound, Castillo sa corner. Uy, natapik ni Halandoni and bola ng Kaiju. Halandoni inbounds it to Gatbonton. Uy, hindi nakatingin. And they get the ball back. Edep. Wala. Rebound Halandoni. There's Gatbonton. Gatbonton to Corpus. Corpus underneath. No. Tinapik kay Ulan. Ulan. Short. Ulan underneath. Wala. And Rotakio gets the basket.
Timeout. Kaiju.
And the timeout's been called by Kaiju. 4 minutes and 52 left in the fourth. 35-51 is the lead. So back to the ball game, Yokohama with possession. Oy, nice basket there. 51-37, babasa 14 ang lamang. De Leon with that layup earlier. Rotakio is called for lifting the ball. So turnover, ball goes back to Yokohama. Oy, nice back. Oy, nice play there. 3-point play for Yokohama. So, 3-point play opportunity here. It's converted. So, 51-40. 11 points ang hinahabol ng Yokohama. Pero Kaiju pa rin nakabante. Halandoni. Wala. Rebound Ramos. Ramos to Magsino. Magsino all the way. Wala. Rebound Rotakio. Sorry, miss there. Uy, pero nahuli ang pasa. De Leon. De Leon, short. Offensive rebound's good. 52-40, 51-42. Down to a single-digit lead. Pero si Ulan nasa ilalim. Uy, hindi pumasok. 2 chances, no good. Yokohama still has life. Magsino. To De Leon. Oh. Stolen by Gatbonton. Kaiju protecting a 9-point lead here. 3 minutes and 18 left. Gatbonton to Ulan. To Corpus. There you go. Stops the bleeding. 53-42. Back to a double-digit lead for Kaiju. Magsino for 3. Pasok. Oh, just a long 2. Just a long 2 daw, sabi ni ref. Magsino, 53-44. Down to a 9-point lead again. Ulan for 3. No good. Rebound Castillo. Stan to De Leon. Oy, bad pass. Stolen by Ulan. There's a Halandoni with a Euro. 55-44. And tumawag ng timeout ang Yokohama. I think that's their last timeout. So it's an 11-point lead for Kaiju. 2:28 left in the fourth. Sige, pasok lang. So back to the action here in the fourth quarter. 11 points ang hinahabol ng Yokohama. Castillo to Ramos. Ramos for 3. Wala. And the foul is on Genova, I think.
Foul number 74.
Tan to De Leon, back to Tan. Download to Edep. Oh, sorry, that was Castillo. So this Edep. Edep with the 2. 55-46, down to a 9-point lead. Last 2 minutes na pala tayo. Last 2 minutes. Genova for 3. Short. Rebound Andy. Gomez Deliano. Muscles his way underneath. 57-46. Castillo fakes. Nalika Ramos. Ramos back to si Galios. No good. Ramos with the offensive rebound. No good. Rebound Payong. Kaiju pushing. De La Cruz. Oy. And, same ball daw sabi ni ref. 17 to shoot. 1:14 left in the fourth quarter. Payong. 14 to shoot. Payong with the runner in the lane. Kendrick Payong gets it to go. 13-point lead for Kaiju. That might do it. Edep. Uy, almost lost it. Edep to Castillo. Sorry, that was Stan. Gets the win number 2 in the season. Final score 59-48. Okay na.